Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. This is Fatema Sabrin, Shikha, Assistant Teacher of National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Today I am going to take home science class for the students of class 7 on the topic of Chapter 7, Creative Question Answer 1. I am repeating, our today's topic is Chapter 7, Creative Question Answer 1. Students, this is our 6th lecture and 6th is W. I am repeating, this is our 6th lecture and 6th is W. Students, in our earlier class, we have discussed the summary of Chapter 7. And today we'll discuss about the first creative question of this chapter. So for this, take your book, notebook and writing elements. We'll start our class. So let's begin. Chapter 7, Creative Question Answer. Here is the first stem. Ria and Ricky are two sisters. They were trying to make a robot with paper. Their mother scolded them and threw away the papers in the dustbin. Just at that time, a discussion program was being shown in the TV on children's rights. Mother realized her mistake after seeing it. So students, from this stem, we come to know that Ria and Vicky are two sisters, and in their free time or leisure time, they were trying to make a robot using paper. But their mother scolded them and trying to keep the robot into the dustbin. And at the meantime, he saw a program on TV on the topic of children's rights. Now student, you have to answer some questions. Look, our first question is number A. Who are children? I'm repeating, our first question is who are children? The answer is those who are below the age of 18 are children. I'm repeating, the answer of question number A is those who are below the age of 18 are children. Now come to question number B. Rights ensure safety. Explain. I'm repeating the question. Rights ensure safety. Explain. Here is the answer. It is the right of every citizen to have safety in all aspects of life and living. He or she is safe in the way that he or she does not have to die unfed or untreated, never to be a victim to any violence or exploitation, and so on. So students, from this we come to know that safety is one of the human right, and for children it is must. Students, in the summary we know that we learn about the 5 basic rights. You know how many rights? There are 5 basic rights. And what are they? They are food, cloth, shelter, education and getting treatment. So without this, you have to ensure the safety of your citizen. So a child or a human can get this from the government or from the country. Now we'll learn the answer of question C. The question is, which section of the United Charter for Children's Rights has been violated by Ria's mother? Explain. I'm repeating, which section of the United Charter for Children's Rights has been violated by Ria's mother? Explain. You can write like this. The answer is that children are the future of a nation. This is true. Our children is the future of our nation. Today they are little, they are small, but one day they will grow up and they will lead the country. Besides, they will build up the world as a peaceful place in future. So children are not only the future of a nation but also the future of the world. They will make the world peaceful. With a view to preserving the rights of children, the General Assembly of United ratified 54 sections in the Charter of Children's Rights on 20th November 1989. So this is very important that General Assembly of United ratified 54 sections in the Charter of Children's Rights on 20th November 1989. One of the sections states every child has the right to enjoy leisure, games and sports, cultural and creative activities. The above said section is very important in the sense that it tells to make a child creative. So according to United Declaration, a child must enjoy their leisure, games and sports, cultural and creative activities. But Ria's mother ignorantly has committed an offense, violating the related section of children's rights. She, of course, realized her wrong later. So Ria's mother scolded them and stopped them making the robot. This is against the rule. And after that, she realized her wrong by watching the TV program of children's rights. Now students, come to number D. The question is, what should have been the duty of Ria's mother in this situation? Give your opinion in the light of your book. The question is, what should have been the duty of Ria's mother in this situation? Give your opinion in the light of your book. So here is the answer. I'm reading this. Children's rights from a part of human rights. Human rights are those rights with which a human child is born, and earning these rights, he can grow up as a complete man. We know about human rights. So as human rights, children have some rights also. They are little now, but they will grow up and will be a human being. And when they will be a complete man, they will enjoy all rights and opportunities. No one can deprive a child of these rights. No one can impose any condition on it for enjoying its rights. So it's must to give children's rights. No one can snatch this right from any children. As per the stem, Ria and Ricky were playing together to make a robot with paper. From this stem, we come to know that Ria and Ricky were playing together to make a robot with paper. That very activities of Ria and Ricky were natural. This is natural, as child will play in their pleasure time, in their free time. They have that right since their birth. But their mother did not allow them to continue their game due to her ignorance. Their mother was ignorant about child's right, and that is why she scolded her and stopped them to create their creativity. Her activities hurt the tender minds of the two girls. As a result, their creativity may hamper to a great extent, the result of which may fall over them in future. Ria's mother could realize her fault later on. So I think she should make clear the matter of that incident to Ria and Ricky and follow them to enjoy their game in their own way. Students, this was for our creative question answer 1. You can write the answer from here, or with the help of our textbook, you can write the answers. Now students, I have given your homework. Your homework will be creative question answer 1 CD. I am repeating, your homework will be creative question answer 1 CD. And don't forget to write the lecture number and homework number at the top of the corner of your copy. Our lecture number is 6 and homework number is also 6. Students, do your homework in your SW copy. guardians or anyone else can submit your SW copies on every Sunday and can collect your previous copies on next Sunday. You need to be serious about your homeworks because you will get your CT, diary and SPA marks on the basis of the submission of your SW copies. That's all for today. Hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practicing at home and abide by your parents. Stay well and see you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.